Hello friends, and welcome to another very special edition of Nashville Nature. We've been on a bit of a hiatus, but we're back here in Centennial Park of Nashville for this episode of Nashville Nature. Today, we have the North American mallard duck, otherwise known as a drake. They're named after me, Professor Drake Starr. These wildlife creatures are not dangerous in the least. They enjoy eating bread and floating on the water. Actually, I think you're not supposed to feed them bread, now that I think of it. It causes mold into the lake. Lake Watauga, here in Centennial Park, Nashville. Once again, I'm Professor Drake Starr with the North American duck, here on Nashville Nature.